Alright, so today, papanoorin natin ang bagong music video ng SB19 in collaboration with BE:FIRST. Ang title ay Toy Friend, no? So, very, very nice. So, wala na matumpik-tumpik pa. If you're an 18, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Let's go, man. Nakaka-excite to. So, ginawan ko ng reaction video yung tawag nito, yung teaser nito. I don't usually do that, pero sobrang excited ako. Kaya, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Start na natin to, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. 1Z. Toy Friend, yo. Oh.
You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night? You're crazy at your all.
You are fire.
Ah! Gagi, ang ganda ng music video! What the heck? I didn't expect this to be this playful, no? Ang galing ng ng effects dito. What the heck? Tsaka colorful siya. Wow! Okay! We got an amazing concept of music video. Napaka-colorful at iba yung dating. Ano siya? Anong tawag nito? Parang ang ganda nung yung video effects dito. What the heck? Mataas yung budget, pare.
You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night?
Pogi nito.
You're crazy at your all.
You are fire. I want smoke. You came over to play. In a stuff since you call my name.
Eh!
Couldn't face what I felt. Daydreaming was alright. Now I still keep all
Yeah!
our secrets. I see the pain.
Thank you! What the heck?
It's leading around. Feels like
By the way, yung nakita nyo ito. Ito naka-brown sa mga bagong pasok dito. Akin pala yan. Ito. Sorry na agad. No?
a picture. It's leading around.
Hello, ang cute! Tapos meron pa mga parang mga transformers sa likod. Ang pogi din ng BE:FIRST, not gonna lie, man. They look good as well.
Like something could go badly wrong.
Hello, ang cute!
But the imagination took us away. Tell me why you giving me.
Ilan ba yung BE:FIRST? 5? 5 din ba sila? Madami sila, di ba? This is fire.
On and off.
You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night?
Ah!
You're crazy at your all.
Let's go! What the heck?
It's unpredictable.
Following your trauma, say
Ah!
you get
Scam. Walang ganyan sa ibang bansa. Na may paangkas, may pa-shower cup. Sa Pilipinas lang yan. Scam yan. Walang ganyan sa ibang bansa. Ja. Pogi ni Ja, oh. Shoutout sa mga mais dyan, man. I wish. Ano yan?
can't trust no guy. No, you wanna treat me like
Josh!
just another toy friend.
Pogi. Ang pogi. Ha? Yan. Sorry guys sa mga potential maging bias to. Akin na to. So, lisensyado na siya. Ito pa isa. Ay, may pusa! Hindi yung pusa. Ay, Ja ba to? Ay, ito, di ba? Ito yung yung parang, this is just a very playful MV, no? Ito yung parang pagbibili ka ng laruan, di ba naka-attach pa siya dito, no? Tapos tatanggalin mo pa. Very, very nice.
You throw him into the left, switch it up and then we go right. While you sing,
Yan mismo.
I see the picture.
The synchronization, man. Let's go.
I see
Yan sa gitna.
It's late and we're
Okay.
out. Feels like something could go badly wrong. But
So yung concept niya medyo playful na medyo may parang video game arcade yung dating niya. Tapos yung toys, yung parang laruan na parang tinatanggal pa siya sa naka-attach na ano, napakaganda. Very playful MV. Bagay siya sa theme nung kanta tsaka sa beat na upbeat. Maganda.
imagination took
Go,
us
Pao!
away. Tell me why you're giving me all that on and off. You think I'm just somebody to play before and
May pa-bicep si Stel. Uy, si Stel tsaka si Ja to? Let's go.
not. Your crazy ritual is so predictable. Following your trauma, saying you can trust.
Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. What the heck? Iba yung aura talaga tsaka appeal ni Ken, no? Sex appeal.
Guy, and now you wanna treat me like I'm just another toy friend.
Tsaka may chemistry sila, ah. May chemistry yung SB tsaka yung B-First.
Cause I don't wanna be just another
Eh! Naging karaoke pa.
Cause I don't
Tuwang-tuwa si Ken. Pogi ni Josh, tapos naka nail polish siya na silver dito.
wanna be just another toy friend. It's ugly either way, but open up and
Open up. Open up, pare.
it's ugly either way, but open up and I can give you everything you're looking for.
Ang ganda-ganda ng effects, ang ganda ng animation, man. Very nice. I love this. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito yung maging MV, no? Kasi akala ko, boyfriend, medyo sa relationship siya umiikot. Parang paglalaruan ka lang ng chicks mo. Pero hindi ko na-expect na ganito yung MV and I really like it. Gusto ko yung ganitong playful at modernized yung dating ng MV. I love it. Tsaka nasa international setting siya. Kaya mas maganda, di ba? Ramdam na ramdam kong international ang SB19 dito. Siguro dahil sa collaboration. Pero lahat feel ko na international, very international yung MV na to. 300k, man, kailangan madaming views to, kailangan pumutok to kasi ito yung may pinakamalaking potential na ganalay. Kasi modern yung MV, colorful, so pwedeng magiging patok siya sa Gen Z. Sana, man, ganda to, maganda. May susi sa likod si Pao. Bakit? Ba't may susi sa likod? Hindi yung susi. Parang ano ata yun, yung turn. Yung tina-turn na toy, si Pao. Para gumalaw, di ba? May ganon. Yun pala yung concept, no? Laruan sila. Kaya pala si Ja, para siyang figure na ikaw kompleto mo pa. Tatanggalin dun sa parang naka-attach siya dun sa yung parang toy soldier si Ja. Tapos si Josh parang character sa computer. So para silang mga laruan kasi paglalaruan nga sila ng chicks nila. Nice! Maganda yung concept, ha? What a nice, yo! Damn! Good concept! By Pablo, Josh Telken, and Justin Sora, Junto, Hanato, UK, Junon, and Leo. That's a good music video, lo, not gonna lie. Napakaganda nung kanta, as is. Mas lalong pinaganda ng music video, very colorful. Hindi naman sobra, sakto lang. I really like it. The robot is doing Brazilian dance? What? Ito! Hindi ko napansin at Master Angeli. Ah! Nagba-Brazilian dance yung robot, tas si Ken katabi niya chicken. Very nice. Toy Friend by SB19. This is a very good music video. I really love it. Enjoyable, light, colorful. Ang concept-wise ano pa rin, it has a concept yun. Ano concept? Maganda pa rin yung concept, nabalot siya sa MV at yung kanta. Kaya maganda pa rin yung kinalabasan. Very, very nice. Siyempre yung kapugian, forma nila, kasali na doon. Napakagaling. SB19 Beefers, what a nice. Very nice. No? If you're 18, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Let's go! Napakagaling, no?